Hello, this is Michal and welcome to Unreal5Master. In this tutorial I will show you how to randomly generate a bunch of rocks or other static meshes and place them on the ground. We will use custom utility widget and physics simulation for that. As you can see, it's very easily to generate meshes and place them on the ground. The results are quite satisfying. Objects are randomly positioned, rotated and scaled. Let's see the result again and then we can continue. Very nice. Okay. So, first thing we need to do is to create blank Unreal project. It should be blueprint project for desktop. I have already created a project, so I won't do it again. Another thing is to add some static mesh. I like Quixel Bridge and I will add some rock by downloading it and adding it to my project. As you can see now, there is a new folder Megascans with my asset. A very important thing is to add a collision hull or convex hull to our rock, because otherwise collisions and physics won't work. Okay, let's start creation of our custom utility widget. This widget is quite simple. It will just contain one button which allows us to duplicate or randomly duplicate selected meshes. This button I would call random duplicate, and we just need to implement its click event. So let's start the implementation on clicked event. Okay, first thing we need to get selected meshes, of course, by using get selection set, and we cycle through them or go through that array. For each selected mesh or actor, we duplicate it by using editor actor subsystem node, which provides us duplicate actor operation. So, okay. Some tidying up. Then, of course, this actor is duplicated with the same transform, and we need to change it. So we will use set actor transform and prepare or calculate some transformation, custom transformation for it. We use teleport option because it's the transformation should be instant, not some kind of animation. We will use editor actor subsystem again to add our generated mesh or actor to the selection. Okay. Now, just tidying up. And of course, when we want to add something to the selection, we should check should be selected checkbox. Otherwise, it removes it from the selection. Okay, to calculate random location, we will use original actor bounds and transformation. The random location we will calculate by using random unit vector function, multiplying it by 4. It's just some number I chose, and by multiplying it by the box extent, it somehow allows us to consider the size of original object. Okay, now once it's done, we just need to add it to original actor location and use it for our transform. Okay, so the 4 number, it's only some constant I decided to use. You can change it if you want. Now we need to generate random rotation. It's very easy because there is a function random rotator, and that's it. Then we need to calculate random scale. Of course, original scale doesn't have to be 1, so we add to that scale some random float in a range, and I decided to use min and max values, as you can see. And now we just add it to the scale of original scale, and that's it. Just some tidying up. Yes, now it's very nice. And as I said, that's it. Very important note, as you can see, it's editor actor subsystem, which provides us very helpful operations, and also these parameters are up to you how you change them. Okay, that's it. Now I will show you how to use that. Okay, just some comments. Okay, now I will show you how to use that. You just need to find that utility widget and right mouse button and run it by using first menu option. Okay, now you can see it. We place the rock in our scene and click a few times random duplicate button. It will always double the selection, so it's somehow power of 2. Okay, very important thing is to turn on simulate physics, and then we can start simulation. After we are satisfied with the result, we just keep simulation changes. After that, we need, of course, to it takes a while to save or to keep the changes. We need to uncheck simulate physics, because otherwise they will try to do physics all the time, and we don't need it, and it can cause some shaking. That's it. Very nice. They don't collide. They are very nicely placed. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.